Hello student, today we are going to discuss the first important compound of group 16 in P block element. This compound is dioxygen. How can we prepare the dioxygen? First is laboratory preparations. In the laboratory, O2 prepared by heating of oxide compound such as chlorate, nitrate and permanganate. Right, these are examples like potassium chlorate heated in the presence of magnesium oxide to form dioxygen. Nitrate, potassium nitrate heated to form dioxygen, and also potassium permanganate heated to form dioxygen. Second is it can also prepared by thermal decomposition. In thermal decompositions, certain metal oxide heated certain metal oxide heated to form dioxygen. Like this, mercurous oxide, silveted oxide heated to form dioxygen. Manganese oxide heated, lead oxide, and also these are the some common example of oxides and heated to form dioxygen. Third is dioxygen also prepared by hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Hydrogen peroxide decompose into water and H2 in the presence of finely divided metal like platinum, etc., or manganese dioxide. Like this, 2H2O decomposes H2 and O2. Fourth is industrial preparation. In industrial preparation means we require the large scale. It can prepared by from water and air. From water, it can be prepared by electrolysis of water. Water electrolytes to form H2 and O2. O2 liberated at anode and H2 liberated at cathode. Therefore, dioxygen we collected at the end of anode. Sorry, from air. Dioxygen is obtained from air by first removing CO2 and water vapors, then fractional distillations of air. This is because they have certain difference between the nitrogen and oxygen. The boiling point of the dinitrogens and oxygen. The boiling point of dinitrogen is 77.2 and oxygen is 90 Kelvin. This process already we discuss in dinitrogen. Then now properties of the dioxygen. Dioxygen is colorless, tasteless, and odorless gas. It is paramagnetic and also have three stable isotopes. It is slightly soluble in water, therefore the favorable for aquatic animal. When the temperature increase, the solubility of oxygen decrease and it is not suitable for the aquatic animals. Its boiling point is 90, approximately 90 Kelvin. O2 is quite stable and it has high bond dissociation enthalpy. This is because they have double bond between O2. Uh, it has neutral and does not give any action of blue or red litmus. O2 is not O2 is support to combustions, but itself is not combustible. It means oxygen is not a combustible, but it is support to combustions. O2 react with metal and non-metals other compound to form oxides. These are the some common examples of the oxides. Right? and there are some other properties of the oxide. When carbon combined with oxygen in limited amount to form carbon monoxide, and when combined with excess to form carbon dioxide, right? HCl also react with dioxygen and heated in the presence of cuprous chloride to form Cl2, and night ammonia react with oxygen in Ostwald process in the presence of platinum and heated to form nitric oxide. Sulfur dioxide heated in the presence of platinum or vanadium pentoxide to form sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide. And this is also calcium carbon sulfide oxidized to form carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. It's a very important reaction. Also, ZNS combines with oxygen to reduce ZNO and sulfur dioxide. Organic compound means hydrocarbon burn with excess of air to form CO2 and H2O. Right? It is very highly exothermic reactions. Therefore, hydrocarbons are generally used as a fuel. There are some uses of the dioxygen. Right? You can read properly, and if you are getting face any problem, then you can give a message on my WhatsApp number or call me my personal number, right? And in thank you.